move further and discuss another important thing. That is, our body is radiating energy, we have understood that. And once the energy is radiated, there is some kind of frequency pattern associated with that particular radiation. Understood? Very simple. Now, this particular frequency, what we are radiating, it depends upon our thought. Our thought changes our frequency. Now, why it is important? What is happening? I'll give you a simple example. A child is born and it is said the child is directly connected with the cosmic. कहने का सीधा रब नाल connection होता है. And the frequency, what that particular child is emitting, it is very high frequency. That's why it is connected with that. There is a particular frequency of the cosmic, जिसको बहुत सारे कहते हैं कि Om has got the same frequency as the frequency of cosmic. अगर हम उस Om frequency जाएं, तो हम उस Almighty cosmic से connect हो सकते हैं. Now a child is born and it has got a very high frequency and it is directly connected with the cosmic, it is directly connected with the God. Now, अगर हमारा सीधा connection, because we are part of the cosmic, we are part of this, super intelligence, we are part of this infinite intelligence, we are. अब what happens? जैसे the child starts growing, starts learning a number of things. Perception of fear starts coming into it. मम्मी कहती है इसको हाथ मत लगाना, ये गर्म है, ऐसा मत करना, यहाँ से गिर जाओगे, do this, and millions of inputs are coming to the child. और उसका क्या हो रहा है? जो स्लेट बिल्कुल क्लीन थी, right? Now a lot of things are being written on that particular state, and a new thought pattern is now generated in the child, and उसकी frequency low होनी शुरू हो गई because of fear, because of anxiety, because of so many other things. तो what happened? Frequency उसकी कम हो गई और ultimately what happened? Gets disconnected with the cosmic. यही हमारी हालत है. This is what our condition is. That we were the part of that. We were born with the frequency of the cosmic, and now what we have done? We have reduced our frequency, and by reducing our frequency, we got disconnected. We don't like it. Okay, why we have got disconnected? Very nice. But अब हमें करना क्या है? We have to make an effort to get reconnected. और वो reconnection कैसे होगा? That means you start generating the feeling of love, feeling of compassion, the feeling of forgiveness, the feeling of gratitude. जब आप ये feelings अपने मन में generate करते हो, तो your frequency starts rising. तभी हमारे कल्चर में क्या कहा गया है कि सात्विक फूड खाओ, अपने विचार अच्छे रखो. क्यों कहा उन्होंने? अगर विचार अच्छे नहीं होंगे तो मेडिटेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे हम, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू कनेक्ट। क्यों? द रीजन इज वी वॉन्ट बी एबल टू रेज आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड वंस वी डोंट रेज आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारा कनेक्शन हो ही नहीं सकता, इज इम्पॉसिबल। अगर आपने रिकनेक्ट होना है, you have to do all those things to raise your body frequency. अब आप कहेंगे यार ये बातें तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कर रहे हैं कि raise your frequency and do this and do that, पर ये करना कैसे है? How do we do it? Right? I will try my best to tell you how do we do it. Okay, let's have a break. And then we will come back and talk about something which is also going to be very important for you, right? And then some of the techniques with which we can do all this. All these are mind power techniques, minded. If you do this, we will attain excellence in your life. Thank you very much.